Hello reception, I hope you're well. I hope you found this week's learning really engaging. I have seen some fantastic work being submitted by Purple Mash and sent to me via email. You're all doing a fantastic job. I know it is tricky when we're at home and we're not in our usual school setting. That can be so distracting, but you're all doing a wonderful job. Parents, thank you for taking the time to send me their work. You're doing a fantastic job. As always, if there's any queries, any questions, please not hesitate to contact me, Mr. Roberts, or any member of the EYFS team. So now we come to the end of our Set 2 phonics, and this is the last sound in our Set 2 phonics, and we are going to be doing the sound oi. My turn, your turn. Oi. 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 Fantastic, well done. And I've got some words for our oi sound in. We got b, oi. Okay, but oi, boy, but oi, boy. Fantastic, well done. We've got t, oi, what's t, oi, toy, toy, t, oi, toy. Fantastic, well done. And there's another one. Oh, this is a bit tricky. Enjoy, oi, enjoy, 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 enjoy. Oi! Enjoy. Fantastic. Well done. Well done. Give yourself a big rainbow clap. Go. Ah, fantastic. Okay, so now that we know how to spread talk some of our oi words, we're going to look at how to remember our oi sound. And there is the boy, and he's got a robot, and that's a toy for a boy. So when we see the picture side, we say toy for a boy. Fantastic. Let's look at our oi sound, and it's a o and a y, and it makes sound oi. Oi. Fantastic, well done. So when we see the picture side, we say toy for a boy. When we see the sound side, we say oi. Get your magnet eyes, let's see if we can flip it. Oi, well done. Oi, fantastic. Oi, fantastic, well done. Toy for a boy, well done. Well done, toy for a boy. Oi, fantastic. Oi, well done. Toy for a boy, well done, fantastic. Okay, so now we flipped it, we're going to take oi. So we say boy oi, and we put him into our Speedy pack. And when we see the oi sound, we are going to do that. So right, we're going to do jazz hands. Fantastic. Getting ready. Magnet eyes and ow. Fantastic. Ooh, well done. Oi, well done. Well done. Okay, let's hide him again. Getting ready and aye, well done. Well done, fantastic. E, well done. Eh, fantastic. Or oi, well done, fantastic. Okay, we're going to hide him one more time. Getting ready, magnet eyes and oh, well done. A, ow, I. Oi, fantastic, well done. Well done. Give yourself a big tremendous go. Tremendous. So now we learned how to read our oi sound. We're going to learn how to write our oi sound. So we go around the orange, and we go down the horn, up a horn, and under his chin. Remember the yak. So it's round the orange, down the horn, up a horn, and under his chin. One more time. Round the orange, right in, down the horn, up a horn, and under his chin. Okay, can you say that with Miss Chapman? There we go. Round the orange, and we go down the horn, up a horn, and under his chin. Fantastic. We go round the orange, and we go down the horn, up the horn, and under his chin. One more time. Round the orange, down the horn, up the horn, and under his chin. Fantastic. Thank you for saying that with me. So if you haven't already, I want you to get a piece of paper and something to write with. I want you to pause this video and write the oi sound, saying the phrase, round the orange, down the horn, up a horn, under his chin. Off you go. Fantastic. Well done on writing your oi sound. Now when we write it, we're going to do another line and we're going to go oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Fantastic. Say it with me as I write it. So this is going to go oi, oi, oi. Fantastic. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. So now I want you to pause the video and instead of saying the phrase, I want you to just say the oi sound. Going oi, 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 oi. Off you go. Fantastic. Well done. Give yourself a big fantastic. So go fantastic. Well done. So now we've learnt to write our oi sound. We're going to read our oi sound in some green word cards. So remember, we got to say our special friend, Fred talk, and read the word. So, oi, Fred talk, oi, read the word, toy. Special friend, oi, Fred talk, oi, read the word, enjoy. Your turn. Okay. Special friend, well done, oi, Fred talk. Read the word, boy, fantastic, boy. Special friend, oi, well done, Fred talk. Oi, well done, toy. Read the word, toy. Miss got to behave herself there. Special friend, well done, oi, Fred talk. Read the word, enjoy. Fantastic, enjoy, well done. There's not many oi words. So now we've learned to read our oi sound. We are going to look at our review words. And remember, we've got a Fred in our head with our review words. Miss is going to show you first. So take Fred, put in our head, Fred in our head. Chat. And when Miss push the word forward, that's when we read the word. Fred in our head. Thing. Well done. Fred in our head. Fix. So when we push the word forward, that's when we read the word. Let's shuffle them a bit. Okay, getting ready. Fred in our head. Well done, loud. Brilliant. Fred in our head. Well done, Zag. Getting ready. Fred in our head. Well done, thick. Fantastic. Fred in our head. Well done, round. Fred in our head. Well done, box. Fred in our head. Well done, shop. And Fred in our head. Well done, fox. And one more. Fred in our head. So, well done, light. Fantastic. Well done. Well done, Fred in your head. So now we are going to get our alien antennas up. Go, and we are going to read some nonsense words. So we've got to go special friend, Fred talk, and read the word. So special friend is ooh, Fred talk. Ooh, ooh, mm. Read the word. Loom. Loom? What a load of nonsense. Your turn. So special friend. Well done. Oh, well done. I. Fred talk. Read the word. Mrs. turn. Fred talk. P-I-T. Read the word. Pite. Pite? Pite? What a load of nonsense. Special friend is Fred talk. Read the word. Mrs. turn. Fred talk. D-E-M. Read the word. Deem. Deem? Deem? What a load of nonsense. Special friend is, well done. Oh, Fred talk. Read the word. Mrs. turn. Fred talk. Z, z, or, zor. Zor? What a load of pish tosh. And last one, special friend. Well done, E. Fred talk. Read the word. Mrs. turn. Fred talk. L-E-M. Read the word. Lean. Lean? Lean? What a load of nonsense. Fantastic on reading those nonsense words. They can be a bit tricky. So now we are going to write our spellings. And the first spelling we're going to write is toy. Toy. So put them behind your back. How many sounds in the word toy? Ready? Well done. There's 2 sounds. Well done if you got that correct, but don't worry if you didn't. There's 2 sounds. Give me a 2-finger wave. Fantastic. Put them to your chin or put them to your piece of paper so the palm is facing you. I'm going to pinch the sounds. T, oi. T, oi. On your own. Well done. Pause this video to write it. Fantastic. Well done. So now we're going to tick and correct our spelling. Tick or correct our spelling. So toy. So t. So getting ready. So like t. T. Oi. O and a yeah. So we tick or correct our t, tick or correct our oi sound, and we underline our special friend. And remember, it gets 1 tick because it's a special friend, makes 1 sound. Okay, next word we're going to write is boy. Boy. How many sounds in the word boy? Boy. Well done. There's 2 sounds. Give me a 2-finger wave. Well done if you got that correct. Go and put them to your chin. I'll put them to your piece of paper. I'm going to pinch the sounds. Boy. B, oi. B, oi. Your turn. Well done. One more time. Pause this video to write the word. Fantastic. Now we're going to tick or correct our answer. So, B. First one is B, B, B. So down the boot's heel and around the toe, down the leg and around the B, oi. O and a y. So tick or correct our B sound, tick or correct our oi sound. And we underline our special friend. Well done. Okay. And the last word we're going to write is thing. Thing, as in a thing on a string. So hands behind your back. How many sounds in the word thing? There's 2 special friends. 2 special friends. There's a 3 sound. So give me a 3-finger wave. Well done. Give me a 3-finger wave and put them to your chin. I'll put them to your piece of paper so the palm is facing you. I'm going to pinch the sound. So, on your own. Well done. Well done. Pause the video to write it. Stop. Fantastic. Well done. So we're going to get our 3 fingers and tick or correct our answer. So that's the thank you, our special friend. So down the tower, across the tower, down the horse to the hooves and over his back. So thank you. Down the insect, dot for the head, and thing on the string. So down Nobby, over his neck, round the girl's face, down her hair, and give her a curl. So tick or correct our sound, tick or correct our sound, and tick or correct our sound. And we can't forget, we've got to underline our special friends, which is a and a There's two and Well done if you got that all correct. Don't worry if you made mistakes, because that's how we learn. We're still learning our phonics, and we're still going to carry on practicing our phonics. But thank you all for listening. Thank you all for engaging so well and taking part, and for all the work you've been doing. You've been doing brilliantly with the home learning. I will either see you in the pre-recorded topic or the pre-recorded PD. Just got there, or I will be or depending on what time of day you're watching this, I'll either see you in the live sessions. But until then, I hope you're having a lovely day. I hope you're keeping safe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.